Welcome back. Continuing the news. The culture of disrespect or dissing is to be blamed for the level of violence in some communities across the island. That declaration from experts speaking on TVJ's All Angles on Wednesday. They explained that scarcity and competition over resources cause dissing to be deadly. Kalisha Williams picks up that story.
To diss or be dissed, the deciding factor for survival in some communities across the island.
It would be like a universal remote. Anything, you have to switch to them at times, because you have youth, if you be too soft, you feel like, say, yo, brother, move from side of me and them thing there.
In fact, dissing is so engraved in our society that it can lead to death.
Yeah, ball a play and man tell a man, say, boy, you're bug, you know. Understand, and him friend them say, boy, you're this man, you know. Look a bit after a gun reach, man get shot, man dead.
But why do Jamaicans take it so seriously? According to social anthropologist Dr. Herbert Gale, it boils down to extreme isolation of persons in society, competition, and scarcity of resources. For instance, isolation may cause persons to have fewer groups that they can identify with and form meaningful relationships.
For inner city males, they have their family, and that means mother. You never ever say anything about mother, even if I was born and I don't know where my mother is. When dance hall come on, everybody has a big up your mother, me boss full blank, both my mother, even though I don't know her, because it's important. Just the word mother. So there's mother, there's your political party, whether you're Labour, right, or Comrade, and there is the matter of your corner.
And it's not unique to Jamaica. Dr. Gale pointed to an altercation in Wales between two white males.
In Wales, Swansea, what somebody said that, and even after as students, we were students doing my MPhil, even after we as black persons said to the two white young men, no, please, we beg of you, we study violence, we understand violence. Even after that, when we got to university, the boy still killed him.
It is similar to this Gleaner report in June, where a taxi operator trailed and killed a man following an argument. The report said the suspect accused the victim of reckless driving. Ex-convict Howard Davis, who was also speaking on All Angles, said dissing that escalates to violence is also within the prison system.
Sometimes just a simple thing as even to ride the bike. Him say I feel him time to ride the bike and him there wait too long. And him just feel like if we take a bath room and lick you off of the bike. Because I feel him time.
In prisons, bike is a term used for toilets. For mediator and trainer at the Dispute Resolution Foundation, Paul HINES, mediation has been helpful in preventing disputes from escalating. However, here's the problem.
What mediation cannot do is to solve the economic realities that they face. What mediation perhaps can help with is to shift the culture about how does one get into getting negotiation to become a part of the norm in terms of how we relate with each other.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.